Banele just got into war with Ntanzi family, and this is the same family that is feeding and taking care of him. So I want us to talk about that and more here in this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. It looks like for the first time, things are not going according to Ntanzi's plans. Banele just went against Ntanzi's commands and stopped Phinda while trying to collect the protection fee from the Dladlas. You guys probably remember that Ntanzi allowed Banele to stay in his house because he was hoping that he'll be a ticket to doing everything that he commands him to do. Ntanzi also thought that Banele was going to be an easy target since he's also expecting a child. So his plan was to use Banele and make him to do dirty works, more especially collecting these fees. Now, as I've mentioned, things are not going according to his plans because Banele is against all of this. And that started when he realized that Ntanzi is abusing his powers and tormenting poor community members. And the worst part is that Zama, the only person who should be condemning this whole situation, is the one who doesn't care. I think Banele should see right through that Zama is cruel and doesn't care about other people and eventually leave here and give Sanele's body to Sanele. But then we'll talk about Zama some other time. So as I've mentioned, Banele then stopped Phinda, who was going to the Magwaza to collect the protection fee, and as we are seeing on the screen right now, Banele is the superhero saving Mbali and Mampele. Now waiting to see how is Ntanzi and the whole family going to react to this news. So meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next video.